Welcome back to Spy Garage.
By skillfully fusing Newmar's well-known luxury, quality, and craftsmanship with a more manageable, smaller footprint, the 2026 Newmar Freedom is set to revolutionize the compact RV market and become the greatest alternative available worldwide. The growing need for a recreational vehicle that provides luxury features and unwavering comfort without the bulk and complexity of a large Class A motorhome is addressed by this conceptual model. A masterclass in compact elegance in design and exterior. The Newmar Freedom 2020 SIXS exterior would demonstrate clever, space-efficient design. It would have a sleek, aerodynamic form that exudes luxury and modernity instead of the boxy, functional appearance of many small RVs. It would have a full-body paint job with unique graphics, which is a characteristic of Newmar's dedication to quality and style, and be inspired by the luxury coach lineup. The vehicle's size would be precisely adjusted to provide plenty of inside space while facilitating easy passage through national parks, congested campgrounds, and urban streets. Large, frameless windows for a panoramic view, a whisper-quiet generator, and cleverly designed outside living areas like a motorized awning and a bright outdoor entertainment center are all essential features. Instead of being a compromise, the compact nature would be a strategic advantage. Interior, unmatched elegance in a compact construct. The Newmar Freedom 2020 SIXS world-class status would be most evident inside. It would be a masterpiece of high-end craftsmanship and space utilization. One would be welcomed by a degree of luxury that is uncommon in this class. High-end materials would be used to furnish the cabin, including solid surface counters, luxurious residential-style furniture, and handcrafted hardwood cabinetry, which is a Newmar hallmark. With creative features like a smart bed that can retract to free up floor space or a modular dining area that can be rearranged for work or play. The layout would be carefully planned to make the most of every inch. The seamless integration of technology would improve comfort and convenience. Lighting, climate, and entertainment would be controlled by a centralized touchscreen control system, and prolonged off-grid stays would be made possible by an advanced electrical system that would include a sizable lithium battery bank and several solar panels. Surprisingly large, the bathroom would have high-end fixtures and a separate shower. With excellent insulation and build quality that reduces road noise and vibrations, Newmar's dedication to quiet and a comfortable ride would be apparent even in a tiny shape. Effortless and efficient performance and capability. A sturdy and effective chassis would support the Newmar Freedom 2026. Although the exact model is uncertain, it would be chosen due to its dependability, agility, and strong yet fuel-efficient engine. For mountain crossings, a diesel or a more recent, sophisticated hybrid drivetrain may be used to deliver enough of torque while preserving fuel efficiency. The car would have cutting-edge driver support features like adaptive cruise control, lane-keeping aid, and a 360-degree video system, which would make driving it incredibly safe and simple. Even for people who are new to RV travel, the combination of a robust chassis, responsive handling, and numerous safety measures would make it a pleasure to operate. The 2026 Newmar Freedom would essentially be more than a typical small recreational vehicle. It would be a beautifully designed and painstakingly engineered mobile house that carries on Newmar's tradition of elegance in a new, more approachable form factor. For anyone who liked to enjoy the freedom of the open road without compromising the amenities of a genuinely world-class home, this would be the ideal car.